You can utilize advanced steel part and assembly marks in Revit. The workflow is simple. Run the numbering process in advanced steel and export the project as an SMLX file. Then, import the file into the Revit environment. Once inside Revit, the assembly and part numbers can be seamlessly used in schedules, tags, and drawings, as well as to select relevant elements. This integration enables the creation of general arrangement drawings for steel projects in Revit, ensuring a more connected workflow across design, fabrication, and construction. Additionally, there is a built-in mechanism that automatically invalidates part numbers whenever the geometry is revised. The old numbers are removed and the text modified appears as the value for the assembly and single part marks parameters instead. This makes it simple to identify elements that need to be renumbered in advanced steel. In this example, a dedicated filter was applied to the view, allowing modified elements to be instantly identified and highlighted in red. Use this new workflow to better connect projects across design, fabrication, and construction.